Alright, we're at 4110 Bellaire Boulevard. The Texas elevator looks to still be original. It's going down first. I like the look of this vintage lobby. Yeah, why it's sanitized. I'll do that when the video's over. Uh-oh, looks like a ceiling panel fell off. Never actually got to touch one of these, pretty cool. But this thing has a dry powered motor, so let's listen. Ooh, classic level. This thing, what a motor. I'm pretty sure this is the oldest elevator currently original in Bellaire. I'm not gonna spend too much time here, but yeah. I'll give it one more ride. I'll wait for the doors to shut first. Yep, this is a Texas elevator. Quick picture. Oh, the door's not shut all the way. Let's see if it'll do anything. There we go. Dude, I forgot plus 11.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, you're good.
I'm so sorry.
I'm not getting you on video or anything. Yeah. Look at this elevator. Got your Epco flush lamp buttons. Weird how the ceiling tiles just falling. Dude, that was an epic elevator right there. I love that motor. Anyways, that'll be it.